Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Conducting workshop in Chennai and Mumbai. For details, contact our office. The contact numbers are given in the description. A volatile day, but still I would say the bulls won the day. Today morning I told you GIF Nifty indicating more than 100 point gap down and Nifty is surely to open below 26,000. And what is more important, whether the Nifty will close above 26,000. And of course, there is no technical parameter around 26,000. 26,000 is just a psychological number. Nifty fell in the morning. At some point of time, even the Nifty broke 25,900 on the downside. But then IT stocks started recovering first. TCS and Infosys mainly recovered. And later, the banking stocks started recovering. I think today, the bank Nifty gained about 1% from intraday low to intraday high. What is more significant, this bank Nifty moving higher despite HDFC Bank is falling. And we all know HDFC Bank is the one having the highest weightage in Bank Nifty, roughly about 30% weightage. And maybe because of this SEBI rejig on the index, that might come down gradually or in a phased manner. But even then, it's going to be, let us say, around 25% weightage. And 25% weightage stock is falling. But despite that, because of the help of other banks, particularly PSU banks, and the Bank Nifty moved higher. And in fact, today, the Bank Nifty closed higher for a third straight day. And Nifty closed in green for 2 straight days, but today it is closed slightly negative. And some auto stocks came under selling pressure. And people say, it's because of some Brazil's duty, but we don't expect much to Brazil. So anyway, that will have some kind of a sentiment impact. And finally, today we are down, but not out. And closing about 26,000 is considered to be a very, very positive for bulls. But however, my medium-term projection remains the same. And I told you on May 12th, India-Pakistan ceasefire news came. The Nifty shot up from 24,000 to 25,000 for the next 6 months. And Nifty traded 25,000 plus or minus 500, 600 points. And now the same thing now, again, in the month of October, and Nifty shot up nearly 1,500 points. And coming closer to 26,000, then now the game continues 26,000 plus minus. But at least 25,000 plus minus was about 600 points. But the 26,000 range is so narrow that it is for the last 1.5 to 2 months, it has been trading 26,000 plus minus only 300 points. And people who sold straddle, strangle, they are all making profits slowly. Even for this weekly expiring tomorrow, at the last Tuesday I told you, people are taking 26,000 short straddle with a combined premium of 300 rupees. And now imagine, like that 300 will come to 100 rupees. Tomorrow, who knows, it can go to zero also. We do not know. So it all depends where the market is going to close tomorrow. Today morning, the entire Asian markets were down, but in the afternoon, European markets started trading firmly in green, even the US market. After a big sell-off on Friday, especially Nasdaq falling over 2% on last Friday, now US futures are also recovering. So, looks like, we are not going to fall much from 26,000. So my view remains the same. 25,700 to 26,300 for tomorrow expiry. Of course, tomorrow that's not going to be so big. But anyway, that was a view we have taken about 1 week before. And for monthly, the December end, today's we have 10 more trading sessions for the monthly expiry. So I told you the range is 25,500 to 26,500. So fine means like last week I told you the 26,000 short straddle in December series, it was trading with a 500 rupees premium. I think now it must have come down to 450 or 440. That will gradually come down by 20 rupees, 30 rupees a day. And one thing is that I think, rupee keep on hitting all-time low, gold keep on rising, and then, people are getting slightly frustrated that there is no concrete news is coming, India-US trade deal, right? So, as long as, there is no trade deal, the markets are just likely to consolidate. And in the beginning of this month, we expected Nifty to touch 27,000. So that is completely ruled out because you have only 10 more trading sessions. But who knows, if there is a news that, the trade deal is done and that trade deal is favorable to India, then, anytime Nifty can shoot up. But the way markets are looking, even if there is such news comes, okay, markets may go higher, may not go to 27,000. And at least the volatility index is indicating that. Look at the volatility index. I think last Friday also went low, was 10.05, then went higher slightly. Today also, I think at day's low, the India VIX is 10.05. And then again, slightly higher closing today. And, so that means Nifty is expected to move only 10%. And then, option prices, implied volatility is all calculated based on 10% opportunity cost. So which means that you take the opportunity cost into account. For the next 1 year, Nifty is going to give zero return. So that is what the India VIX indicates. So that is a, such a low expectation. So unless something happens, unless volatility index shoots up, these premiums are going to be very, very pathetic. I was looking to sell some straddle for next year, December. I was a little bit worried by looking at the low premium. And the point here is that low premium has gone even lower. All right. I think about 100 lots I've done. I think in the last 1 month, I was so worried that premiums are so low. But despite that, I'm sitting with more than 7 lakh rupees profit in just 1 month time. So anyway, so it is time to be a little bit cautious, and this low VIX of around 10 cannot sustain for a long time. So definitely something will happen and the India VIX will shoot up. So otherwise there is no stock specific news. Reliance is down slightly. HDFC Bank is down, but ICICI Bank, other banks are higher. IT stocks, recovered from the lows. Auto stocks fell. So like some plus, some minus, So it was overall just a consolidation market only. And then tomorrow is expiry day. Definitely, operators will make sure that the markets move probably on both the sides. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.